Hello students, I am Sonali. Welcome to the channel Success EduTech. Today we are going to learn the term photoperiodism from the lesson Plant Growth and Development. Please watch the complete video and please watch my previous videos. Link is given in the description. See what is photoperiodism. As we know that in higher plants like angiosperms, the sexually reproducing organ is the flower. So, the flowering response shown by plants to periods of day and night is known as photoperiodism. This photoperiodism is nothing but the influence towards the light. So, this diagram is very important that it shows three types of photoperiodism, that is short day plant, then long day plant and day neutral plant. I am going to explain it later. See, it has been observed that some plants require a periodic exposure to light to induce flowering. That periodic exposure to light is nothing but they found exposure to specific duration of light, that is photoperiod, had profound influence on flowering. And this term they examine the effect of day and light, day length on flowering by using artificial illumination. And this experiment or this term of photoperiodism was coined by Garner and Allard in 1920. So, see, it has also seen that such plants are able to measure the duration of exposure to light. It needs to measure the duration also. Now again, I am going to tell you that this term is periodism is coined by Garner and Allard. Plants are classified on the basis of photoperiod required for flowering, and that is the classification is short day plants, long day plants and day neutral plants. These three types of the plants on which they classified on the basis of photoperiodism. Now, see this diagram is showing the plants are growing in the sunlight, means towards the photoperiodism. See, short day plants means here night is long night plant, and long day plants means here short night plants. And this is the critical night length. Critical length is nothing but critical photoperiod is nothing but the length of photoperiod above or below which flowering occur, means the length, some limit where on which limit or on which length where above or below the flowering is occurred to the plant. That is this line is showing critical night length. There are many plants, however, where there is no such correlation between exposure to light, duration and induction of flowering response. Such plants are known as day neutral plant. Means in short day plant, there is a long night plants. And in long day plant, there is a night is short, where the flowering periods can occur. Means some plants require the flowering period, means short day plants, means night is long, and some plants require the period, means long day plant, that is short night plant. But in day neutral plant, where there is no such correlation between exposure to light, means temperature, and induction of flowering response, that is known as day neutral plants. This critical duration is different for different plants. Now, it is known that not only the duration of light period, but the duration of dark period is also important, equally important for the flowering to the plant. It is observed that flowering in certain plant depends not only on a combination of light and dark exposure, but also their relative durations also. So, we have to measure the duration of light and dark. See, here the flowering, here a long day plant, here no flower, but here flowering above. So it is a critical photoperiod where above this critical photoperiod there is a flowering. Here no flowering in during short day plant. And this is the critical photoperiod, flowering after vegetative maturity. Here the day neutral plant. The site of perception of light and dark duration are the leaves. So it has been hypothesized that there is a hormonal substance that is responsible for the flowering. So leaves, you know that it perform a very great function in the plants, and it is some hormonal substance that is responsible for flowering. See, absorption of the liquid or water by the roots, translocation when water is transferred towards the from the leaves to all parts, and the absorption at the leaves also, and from the root it transferred toward the stem and it absorbs the leaves also. See, this is the direction. These hormonal substance migrates from leaves to shoot apices, just as shown in diagram, from leaves to shoot apices for inducing flowering only when plants are exposed to necessary inductive photoperiod. When there is a necessary inductive photoperiod, that time these hormonal substance migrate from leaves towards the shoot tip to inducing the flowering. So she is the red color direction, arrows are showing the direction. So thank you students. In the next lecture, we will see what is the vernalization. Thank you very much.